Hi, my name is Dorothy. Everyone I cook Tolobifi curry rice and spicy gizzard for falls into the irresistible temptation of wiping their plates clean before they knew it. With Onga, Mama's helping hand, let us have another wonderful cooking experience. Going to start with my Tolobifi. I already have my cooking pot on fire with a little bit of water in there. I'm going to cook my Tolobifi a little bit, then move straight to the curry rice. With my curry rice, I have my oil. I'm going to pour a little bit in here. That should be enough. Chop my onions. So we add our onions. So we are going to leave it for it to fry a bit. I'm going to add my water and Onga curry. Then we leave it to boil. Later we add our rice. Before then, let me check on my Tolobifi. My Tolobifi is ready. So remove it from our pot and set it aside. It's time for our spicy gizzard. My fresh gizzard is ready to go into the pot. I'm going to add my garlic and my ginger. I'm going to blend them. My blended garlic and ginger is ready. I add it to it. Of course, I add my Onga premix. A little bit of water. Then I leave it to cook. Now my rice is ready to go in. Then I add a pinch of salt to my curry rice. Our Ongalicious Tolobifi curry rice will be ready in no time. Now we leave it to cook. My gizzard is ready, so I'm going to remove my gizzard and set it aside. Now let's spice my gizzard. First, I add oil to my pot, then my blended chili pepper and onions. And then I add my cooked gizzard. Leave it for it to cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. Now I come back to my rice. My curry rice is ready. I'm going to add my Tolobifi to my rice. Stir it up a little bit, not too much, just a little bit. My rice is ready and I'm going to garnish it with my spring onions and serve. My spicy gizzard is ready and my Tolobifi curry rice is also ready. Let's serve. I bet you can use it to set a trap for somebody.